right there in a border town. Every time he stuck that needle in my skin, she had to look away, had him put it right here on my chest over my heart. That rose of Jericho looked so good, painted underneath her name. It hurt like hell, yeah, but it was worth the pain. When I'm missing her, I take another shot. I know it ain't the cure, but right now it's all I got. She took most of me, and now all that I have left are tattoos to remember, tequila to forget. Just another neon roller coaster Friday night. Bartender wiping down that bar while he keeps an eye on me, and I sure hope he ain't about to cut me off, 'cause I'm only one or two away from getting my head where it needs to be. When I'm missing her, I take another shot. I know it ain't the cure, but right now it's all I got. She took most of me, and now all that I have left are tattoos to remember, tequila to forget. When I'm missing her, I take another shot. I know it ain't the cure. When I'm missing her, I pour another shot. I know it ain't the cure, but right now it's all I got. She took most of me, and now all that I have left are tattoos to remember, tequila to forget. She said, baby, do you ever miss being alone? I said, hell no, I don't. She said, do you really think I'm where you belong? I said, you know and I know you're perfect for me, everything I'll ever need. I ain't playing what I'm saying. When I got what I got, I don't miss what I had. The old me before you belongs to the past. In the back of your mind, you might think there's something more I want, but when I got what I got, girl,